Hello everyone, today we will be making eggless chocolate cake. It's super yum, super delicious, easy to make using basic ingredients available at our home. Let's get into the recipe. Flour 150 grams, melted butter 50 grams, sugar 90 grams, warm water 130 grams and 20 grams separately, cocoa powder 25 grams, baking powder 8 grams, baking soda 4 grams, instant coffee 1 tablespoon. Here we will be sifting all our dry ingredients nicely so that we don't form any sort of lump in our batter. While sifting all our dry ingredients, we won't sift our coffee here because we will be diluting our coffee with water. First thing, we are not sifting our coffee just because we will be diluting it with water so that we don't form small particles in our batter. And secondly, we are taking water in 2 parts just because while mixing, if we form any sort of lump, second part of water will help us getting a perfect batter. Once we are done sifting our dry ingredients, we'll keep it aside, take a bowl, add our sugar, add melted butter, give it a mix and add our warm water. Adding warm water will help us melting our sugar. Add instant coffee and give it a good mix using a whisk. Once we are done mixing all our wet ingredients, make sure you have preheated your oven at 170 degrees Celsius. Here I have taken a tin which is good for a 500 grams of cake. I'll line it with the help of 1 spoon of butter. I'll coat it all over together and add 1 spoon of flour and dust it all together and tap it the remaining flour into my dry ingredients. It's just because I don't want to waste it. We have nicely lined our tin and we'll keep it aside. Take our dry mixture and wet mixture and with the help of a whisk, I'll give it a mix and pour it all together to my dry ingredients and mix it with the help of a whisk. Make sure you do not overmix your batter or else it won't give it a good rise and that beautiful texture what we are looking for. Here my batter is thick right now. I'll be adding my second part of water. So here I'll scale it 20 grams of water. Make sure you use warm water for the second part too. Add it and give it a good mix. Here my batter is shiny, not too thick, not too runny. This is what the consistency we are looking for. Make sure you do not overmix. With the help of a spatula, I'll collect all the ingredients together and pour it over my lined tin.